Hello everybody, this will be a quick Bitcoin update, Bitcoin and Ethereum update on April the 7th. Right now we are on the chart of Bitcoin on the half an hour time frame right now. And right now we do have a 80% setup going on right now. We did bust above the previous day point of control. So I do expect us to pump up to this previous day value area high. And I'll be looking for a short here because we have a 0.5 fib level and a previous day value area high. I'll come in at around 44,900 roughly. So that would make for a nice short actually, based on what the 12-minute time frame is kind of doing. Maybe look for bearish divs on the way down. If not, we do have another local golden pocket at around 45,500 roughly. Here would make for a nice short based off of the 12-minute too. That would bring us back down and possibly go lower. I do expect us to kind of reject possibly based off of those and go lower. We still have yet to go down to 41,500. This is a minor golden pocket drawing from the last lower high we made based off of 37,400 roughly, all the way up to the swing high right here. And we do have a lot of confluence coming in right there. So I do expect us to possibly grab that liquidity. The worst case scenario, really, what I'm thinking is that we come down to 37,000. But again, that would still bring us in a bullish structure, still making higher highs. But realistically, just looking at the charts, I see us coming down to 39,500. That would be like the kind of the ideal scenario. It would flip a lot of people bearish, and it would also grab a ton of liquidity as we have a naked monthly point of control, and that is a pretty big pivot point in the market, and that is all coming around 39,000. So this general range is a huge support for Bitcoin if we want to see this bull market continue, really. Looking at possible resistances, let me actually turn off some of the clutter here. Coming up, we do have a naked monthly point of control at around 49K, and that will act as major resistance. Could be a possibility that we reject off of that and then come down to 39K maybe, and then pump back up. I expect us that if we do tap this, we'll get a decent pullback. And if we do end up pumping back up again into it after we reject off of it, I expect Bitcoin to go much, much higher, up to 55K, where we have that major golden pocket level. So it would play out nicely for Bitcoin. Going to Ethereum now. Again, we have a local golden pocket at around 3,400. Ethereum 2 is in an 80% setup right now. We have the previous day value area high, which is acting as resistance in the 80% setup at around 3,300. I don't really think it's going to respect that level too much. It really depends on whatever Bitcoin is doing. So I could see Ethereum coming up to the golden pocket at 3,400 and then possibly rejecting off of there. But you may never know. Again, when it rejects based off of the 80% setup, let me turn back on the analysis. When it rejects off of this previous day value area high, a good take profit would be the previous day point of control and the previous day value area low. They are kind of lopsided and close to each other. So a good take profit if you short this would be 43,500. Again, that's the previous day value point of control. But still going back to Ethereum, again, we could still come down to 2,900 roughly if Bitcoin decides to go to the 41,500 route. If Bitcoin decides to go towards the 39,500 route, we can still come down to 2,700. And really the worst case scenario is that we come down to 2,400. And still this would maintain a bullish structure where Ethereum is making higher lows, and this would actually spook the market, I guess, add a lot of fear to the market. There already is a lot of fear in the market right now, so I don't think we're going to come down that far, but you may never know. Trading is all about probabilities. So also just looking at local resistances, we can come up to 3,700, 3,600. Really, Ethereum is kind of leading the way with it compared to Bitcoin, but really the only major resistance that I see is 3,630 to 3,800 if we break that. It depends on whatever Bitcoin really does, as Ethereum just kind of likes to follow. And just a minor support level is 3040, as that can make for a nice short-term bounce scalp, as we are getting fib confluence and a naked daily point of control. Anyways, that's pretty much it for it. I expect us to kind of have a relief rally today, and then possibly look for a rejection. If not, again, look for those higher resistances based off of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And again, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Plus, I'll leave a link to a free Discord where I post all my trades, along with other people posting their trades and other crypto related ideas. Thanks. Bye.